Alright, while doing plugs and wires, I got the plugs all in. I still have to repair the one hole I found. For some reason, the threads came with it in that back far hole. Thank God it's the back far one. All the rest are in, uneventful. But I found out, I've seen it, like, there's water. See, standing, I don't know if you can see it back here, see on top? And down in here, water is running here. So I went and got some of this D-shaped weather stripping. I'm gonna put across at least the motor part to keep water from leaking down, because I don't want it getting in the alternator and whatnot. So that's what I'm fixing to do, is put this weather stripping on. I happened to notice that was going on, and I don't want to leave it like that. That's not a good thing. Let's see if we can attach this little sheet, what you call it here, holds the phone. That's it. That will attach like that. That'll sit just, of course it won't. Won't be too easy. Way too easy. And we're just gonna start at one hinge. I'm just gonna stick this right along here. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna go clear over to the other hinge. Push it down good. Now I'm gonna cut that off. That one off right about there. Back is electrical. I'll run this down. I don't want to run out on the battery on this side. That weather stripping on there. Okay, so now we've put that weather stripping. So hopefully, I'm just running it like that because it won't hurt it to come down over here. I run it clear over, and there's some electrical stuff here, and I don't want it running down into that. I don't want it messing with any of this. So I continued it over to here. So That's looking pretty good to me. Yeah. So, there we go. That ought to keep water from running down into the alternator and belts. I mean, you can see it standing right there, and that scares me. So, we're doing it right. Alrighty. This is another. We're gonna continue with plugs and wires. All I've done is run the coil wire. I'm gonna go get a thing and repair that hole. All the plugs are in, and we're going from there. So, we're back. I got plug wires ran. I don't have them all loomed up, but with the plug that I thought I was gonna have to repair, this was falling off and I was taking it the wrong hole. Threads didn't come with it. I mean, sometimes it's better to be stupid and realize it later than have to do a repair. And in my case, I just wasn't eyeballing the situation. So we're pretty well ready to start it. We've got some vacuum lines to put on here for the brake booster and whatnot. So you gotta hook a PC valve. The brake booster goes onto this one. So there's the brake booster. Boom. Fits on there nice and tight. All the wiring is re-ran. Distributor's on and plugged in. Gonna have. Is that? That might be a little small. Yeah, that's too small. I'm gonna have to go get some. That makes me sad. But it's gonna have one heck of a vacuum link. But I'm curious to see if it runs since the battery's hooked up and all. Let's see how bad I screwed up. Oh, it turned like a kitten. Look how smooth. Not a stumble. I can hear the vacuum leak from the PCU valve not being hooked up. We have one heck of a radiator leak. Good oil pressure. Let's shut her down. So, it needs a radiator. Okay. Sigh.